Erie, PA, everybody. I'm in Harbor Creek Township. I got a driveway to do up the road. A couple of people's like, oh yeah, just go around this plow truck. I don't think so. How you doing, man? Shit. I don't think so. I gotta go up there to plow a driveway. I think they're SOL, right? Erie, Pennsylvania, everybody. Erie, Pennsylvania. Harbor Creek Township. How many inches did we get? 30-something inches. Jeez. I don't even know if I can back down the road. Like right there. I don't even know if I can back down this road all the way. I might have to like plow a spot somehow in this zone. I don't know how. Shit. You see this? Not only that, listen, Fair, too many cars, you can't get up and down. Walbridge, nope. Nagel, maybe. Dude, listen, yesterday I got stuck twice. AAA had a 5 to 7 hour delay. I said, well, I'm gonna opt out on that. Putting it on YouTube. Let me see what I can do to maybe send you a rescue squad. You already got somebody coming? Good luck, man. Look at this. Absolutely, he's stuck against the pole. Oh my Jesus, I gotta back all the way down. About a mile. No driveways are cleared. It's gonna be tough. And then at the other end, I got a Challenger stuck in the road, SRT. Oh my goodness. Look at this snow dozer, everybody. Everybody look at the snow dozer. Oh my goodness. Erie, PA. We are in a serious emergency. I gotta try to get down here and get out of here, or I'm gonna be stuck down here for real. I'm not doing it. Here in PA. Heck with that, I'll go to Bonnie Bray later. Nobody gonna let me out. This really bites. Very nice, Maine. I don't even know how that girl's doing it with that trailer. got me. Almost went off the road. It's absolutely... We're in the snow dozer, Erie, PA. Here to get things cleaned up. Thank goodness that Challenger's off the road. Jesus. Oh, man, man, man. Oh. Can't believe that lady directed me to her house, knowing that there was a plow stuck right centering the road. You can't do that. That's like setting somebody up for failure. Wow, did you see Dollar General? Holy Jesus. That was crazy. Oh man. I don't know, it's a crazy feeling. I don't know how to explain it, not knowing if you can make it. I mean, and I'm not even kidding, I'm like, I got the equipment, I mean, my equipment's good, but it's heavy. This thing's like a plug. 10,000 pounds from the factory without the plow and stuff. With the plow, it's another, I don't know, 1,000 pounds plus all the fluids. It's crazy. So it's like a plug. This baby gets stuck, it's stuck. I'm afraid to go up certain roads. Like, look at that one. I would never made it up that road. Thank goodness I didn't turn. And like, it's not going to be long before one of these roads are going to be plugged up that I'm on right now, one of the main traveling roads. And then when that happens, then you're really SOL, because then somebody else is stuck right dead center of the road. Look at this Mr. Big Plow. People's got plows on their trucks 10 feet wide and their truck's 6 feet. You think you got to get out the way. Here I come. Well, not supposed to work that way. Some of these roads you will not, I wouldn't even attempt them. Like, if even that plow truck had chains on and everything, it still was stuck. You know it's bad if you get stuck, you got chains on.